Here are 3 reasons why you should own an investment property here in Glendale, Arizona. VAI Resort, a 60-acre, $1 billion entertainment resort in Glendale, Arizona, set to phase open in 2025. VAI Resort will be Arizona's largest and boldest hotel, entertainment, and food destination, featuring 4 hotel towers with 1,100 rooms, suites, and villas, 12 restaurants, a luxury spa, nightclub, indoor theater, rides, attractions, retail, and art. We're talking a 5-acre, temperature-controlled lagoon with sand beaches, 10 bars, 80,000 square feet of shopping with about 40 luxury retailers, 50,000 square foot of meeting and event space, 20,000 square foot of a spa and fitness center, 18,000 square foot of a 2-story nightclub, 2,500 square foot of a wedding venue, and a 4D interactive theater, and so much more. Make no doubt about this will truly be the place to be. Everyone visiting and moving to the Valley will want to visit and stay at VAI Resort. We all know the Valley is growing. I have a video on my Instagram with over 1 million views that highlights all the companies and businesses coming to the Valley or are currently in the Valley, spending millions and billions of dollars. That means more people from California are going to be moving and visiting to this state, more people from Canada, Texas, Mexico, Las Vegas, and even Florida. Have you heard of Buc-ee's? Buc-ee's is also coming to Goodyear, Arizona, which is on the west side of the Valley. If you would like to see that video with over 1 million views that highlights over 20 businesses currently in or moving to the Valley, comment the word 20 or send me a direct message 20 and I'll send you that video directly. As your real estate agent, whether you are buying, selling, relocating, or buying an investment property, my commitment to excellence ensures we get the job done and I help you every step of the way. Send me a direct message and let's start the process.